Circle Theorem. Okay, this one says that the angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle, this is the center of a circle, is twice that subtended at any point in the remaining parts of the circumference. The angle you have here is 2 times the angle you have here. So that is to say that if here is angle y, what you have here is angle 2y. Any angle you have here multiplied by 2 will give you the angle in the center of the circle. Okay, let's move down to solving questions. This one says, find the value of t in the diagram. This is actually one of the questions, or rather it was one of the questions in SSCE 2018. Find the value of t in the diagram, and this is t. T is in the middle. So what that means is that the angle you have here multiplied by 2 will give you t, but there is no angle here. We need to find the angle that should be here. And to find the angle, this line you are looking at like this is a straight line, and angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Here you have 117. Here you have 117 degrees. So to find the angle that should be here, let's call this place B. Now to find angle B, you have B is equal to 180 degrees minus 117 degrees. So B is equal to 63 degrees. Now, having known that B is equal to 63 degrees, to find your t, you say t now is equal to 2 times 63 degrees. Therefore, t is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, that is t, and that is that. Okay, I will give you homework now. These 2 questions, you solve any one of your choice and send your answer in the comment section. The first question says, in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle. This is your O. If angle QOR is equal to 290 degrees, find the size of angle QPR. QOR will give you 290 degrees. Find angle QPR. So practically, this is the angle you are to find. But remember, the angle you have here times 2 will give you the angle here. So before you find this angle, you are expected to find this one. And for you to find this one, you can call this thing any letter of your choice. You can decide to call it R. So to find your P, you need to find R. And for you to find your R, this is 290 degrees. And when you complete it with the angle that should be here, it should be able to give you 360 degrees. So what you're expected to do is to say 360 degrees minus 290 degrees. Any answer you get, that is what your R is. Now for you to find your P, you will now say 2 divide that answer will give you your P. I'm really expecting your answer. Okay, now the second one says, in the diagram above, O is the center of the circle through points L, M, and N. If angle MLN is 74 degrees and angle MNL is 39 degrees, calculate LON. You need to find this. This is what you are expected to find. But before you find this, you should be able to know what this angle is. Remember, this is a full triangle, and angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So you need to add this plus this. The answer you get, 180 minus, that's your answer. That answer you got here multiplied by 2 will give you your O. Please, I would like you to give this a try and send your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.